Hello, good morning, dear clients and prospects. Welcome to a brand new week. I hope you had a lovely week. So this week, I'd like to start by sharing something important with you. The key to building wealth is seizing opportunities when they arise. The longer you wait to invest, the more expensive it becomes. And in real estate, there is no exception at all because values of properties tend to appreciate over time. So if you're procrastinating about buying a property or making an investment, you're missing out on the chance of getting that property or that investment at a lower cost. So it's a new week, a new opportunity. Don't let another week slide by. You need to take action today. Let's make your real estate dreams a reality. Reach out to us today. Let's explore the opportunities waiting for you in the real estate market, and your future self will thank you. Invest today, not next week, because the price might not just be the same. So call the number on your screen or in the captions below. You can also send us a direct message for inquiries on all our properties and investment opportunities.